In this video, I'll show you how to link multiple bank cards to your Wise account. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Open the Wise app or website and log in with your account credentials. I'll leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Step 2. Go to Payment Method Settings. In your profile or account settings, navigate to Payment Methods or Cards section. Step 3. Add a new card. Click on Add a card or Link new card and enter the card details, number, expiry date, CVV and billing address. Step 4. Verify your card. Complete any verification steps required by your card issuer or Wise, such as temporary approval charge. Step 5. Repeat for additional cards. Repeat the add card process for each bank card you want to link to your Wise account. Step 6. Select default payment method. Set one of your linked cards as the default payment method or choose between cards during transactions. Now I have some tips for managing multiple cards. Keep card details updated for uninterrupted payments. Remove expired or unused cards regularly. Use card nicknames for easier identification in Wise. And that's how you link multiple cards with Wise. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments.